Hey everyone, so I just want to share my latest keyboard build. This time I am going back to my roots where I didn't realize back then, that was 1992, that I was using a mechanical keyboard. And that was my uncle's Atari gaming console with a keyboard and an old school joystick. Anyway, let's go and do this quickly. For all of you who does not know, I am a big fan of a 60% keyboards, and this is an HHKB layout from KBDfans called the D60lite. I got the bare bone so I can fully customize it. Just a quick glimpse about this keyboard. It is a leaf mount type, similar to gasket mount, but this is much more lighter and softer, which I am not a fan of, so I did a custom silicone case mod just to improve the overall feel, weight, and sound of the case. All foams and pads are already provided, and here I just lube the stabilizers, and that's just about it. This keyboard is a QMK or VIA compatible, so you can customize almost anything. I am going to use a clicky switch, the Kailh Box Jades. I already tried the box white variant, and it was lighter and much quieter than the Jades. So I went with the clicky switches because they are very satisfying to type with, and this is the first switch that I have tried on a mechanical keyboard ever. Just so you know, these box jades and white clicky switches are one of the top choice of all clicky switches in the market. They are super crispy, snappy, and sounds way better than the blue ones. And finally, a set of GMK Civilization Keycaps. I think this will be a perfect match to the keyboard or to this keyboard. These are the clone version because I don't have enough budget to buy the real ones, but thankfully I got the decent copy. If you have more budget, I suggest you get the original GMK Civilization. They are far superior than this, of course. So I finished this build with some nice and simple artisan keycap. I named this the Aztec Oni. This was designed by Yugen VXL, and I just painted it with a kinda like a burgundy or deep red violet color just to go with the accent of this keyboard. Let me know what you think in the comments. And there you go. I hope you like this simple keyboard build. I'll see you again on the next one. Enjoy the typing sound test. Take care and goodbye.
No.